1929 Chevrolet here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This should be the international model, 4-door sedan, 5-passenger. Underneath the hood, inline 6-cylinder. Actually, they're stove bolt, 194 cubic inch, era correct. 6-cylinder, touted by Chevrolet back in 29 that you could get a 6-cylinder for the price of 4. Was actually an overhead valve engine. Let's take a look at the front of this vehicle. Take a look at the chrome. Radiator surround and bright work on this one. It's a two-tone, kind of a deep metallic blue and black combination. This car was actually restored approximately 30 years ago. It's incredible the shape it's still in. You can see that paint has a nice shine to it. You might find a blemish on it here or there. I mean, it has been driven, but overall, great looking car. The best part is you know that paint's gonna stay on. If there was anything behind it that was gonna come out, it would have came out by now. So cool looking car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. I love the steel wheel and the matching blue paint. All right, still pictures, so you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Interior's in nice shape. And we will get around into the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, but blue cloth. Look at the shades still on the rollers. Headliner looking good. Listen how that door closes. Don't sound like that anymore. And then look at the gaps. A nice and even. Nicely done vehicle, no doubt about that. Rear mounted spare. Couple notes from the technician on this one. It is still a 6-volt system like it would have came. Brakes straight. Brakes are 75% in the front, 80% in the rear. Starter and carb recently rebuilt. Said it looked like newer exhaust on it. Tires in good shape. Drives out well. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And once again, all the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like these late 20s, early 30s models, whether it be Chevy, Ford, Chrysler, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. So when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And again, you can see really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Top is in very nice shape. Door panels looking good. Carpeting's in nice shape. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes in the seats. I think we need to fire it up. Let's hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath one of the hood panels. Of course, 3-speed manual transmission on the floor. Starter's down here in the floor also. We're going to take this key, we're going to turn it to the right, and that pops out. That means we have ignition on. This is a choke right here if we want to choke it just a bit. Not going to need the choke, I don't think. There we go. You can see odometer actually reads 47,683. Cannot confirm or deny if that's original. Lights here. A couple of gauges on this side. Pretty fancy dash, huh? Simple, to the point. Make sure we're neutral. Listen to that thing purr. awesome. And practically 100 years old. So let's see if we make a difference what side I open up. I want to open up one of these hood panels and let you see this run a second. There it is, 194 cubic inches. Error correct. You can see the casting number in the still pictures. You also see the VIN plate in the still pictures. Check it out. Of course, single carb on this side. Intake and exhaust manifold, as you can see, and there you can see that newer exhaust pipe coming off of there. Get a 6 for the price of a 4. 1929 Chevrolet 4-door sedan, should be out of the International AC Series or model. Restored, nicely done. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, but consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1929 Chevrolet 4-door sedan in a beautiful blue and black exterior with a blue and black interior as well. Nice blue cloth just about everywhere you look. Bench seating, stripes, looking good for a 29. And things are working. We have the temperature gauge right in the normal range, which is, you know, definitely where you want to see it. The speedometer showing 30 miles an hour. The oil pressure is between 14 and 15 right now as we cruise down the road leisurely. The battery is charging well over halfway on the gauge, so that means we're getting a good charge to keep it running. The best horn in the world. Next to maybe the Dukes of Hazzard General Lee horn. You gotta love those Auga horns. This is a 3-speed manual with a long stick right here on the floor, so it's easy to drive, easy to shift. The clutch feels great, the gears engage very well. Wooden steering wheel. The start button on the floor right next to the throttle. This car, you just turn the key to the right and make sure that plunger is pulled out. Pull the choke lever if it's cold and push the start button and she'll start up nicely. I don't believe anything had power steering back in 29, but this car is still easy to drive. In the corners, it corners nicely. Plenty of room in the back. That large sedan back end. Perfect car to take in a parade, on a road trip to some car shows. Find all the pictures of this 29 Chevrolet at uniqueclassiccars.com.